Our final melody will be for you, ladies and gentlemen, and for those of you that don't know it, they're just going to step back. And this is called Pualei no Kumu Hawai'i. And again, by digging and researching in the Hawaiian newspapers, I stumbled upon this little snippet of a pule or a chant, and I liked what it had to say. And it was, a pule for my akua, I pule for my chief, I pule for the land, I pule for the nation, and I pule for peace. We pule for those that have come before us. We pule for those that have suffered before us so that we can have what we have today. And we pule for Lanakila, for victory. And I took this snippet from the Hawaiian newspaper and I added my own verse to continue on and saying, we pule for the rain, no matter how hard it may come down. We pule for the sun, no matter how hot it is, because I come from Wai'anae. And we pule for the flowers that flourish, for the animals, kamapua'a, the dogs, the ku'ilioloa, the mo'os, the kihapaikines. We pule for all those creatures because those living things makes us who we are, and it's part of our DNA. So we give to you, He Pualei no Kumu Hawai'i.
He Pualei no Kumu Hawai'i. He
Pualei no kuakua, he pualei no tukuali, he pualei no tukuina, he pualei no tukulakui, he pualei kamaluhia. He pualei takua helele, he pualei ki tukua kaina, he pualei kamakani, he pualei helei kala. He pualei no kamapua, he pualei kakuhele moa, he pualei kuloa, he pualei kamakine, he pualei kamakuali, yamawan nanui kale pualei. May lalaw ita poo, may lalaw ita ino, may lalaw ita kau, may lalaw ki poo. He pule ka manaulana, he pule ita onipaka, he pule au he pule ita lanakila.
He mene no Kumu Hawai'i.
He pahalo hale mai lalaw halo nao mai uwa. Again for the Opio.
Hi, mahalo nui no hei tākou to the pride of Mauna. Mahalo Hālau to Māna. Mahalo. Mersberg. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. Māna kupai dina. Māna kupai dina. Mahalo ko me kalako mohana mai kai. Io e kahu kia naina e o e palahui.
Beautiful. Wow. Yes, the appreciation. Terrific. One more time, a big round of applause for Hālau Kumu. Oh my goodness. Wow.
And I even saw some of my former students in there.
Did you? Really?
Yes, some of them came from Hālau.
Terrific. Kona Nui Nights, everyone having a good time. We thank you for joining us here at World Village Courtyard. By the way, Kumu, your host for this wonderful event. All right.